Hello, Jeff here from Sussex Installations. First off, welcome to the lovely new premises. Just been here for just over a year now, and it's brilliant. It's really allowed the business to move forward. Very windy day today, so apologise if the audio is bad on this video. Let me show you what we're doing today. What's all happening at the moment? We've got this repair shield going on here by Danny onto this Toyota Pro Ace at the moment. Cover up that hole. We've got our installations going on here with Matt here doing a platinum package on this van. And we just got an emergency situation here where a courier's got his slam lock key snapped off in his van. So he's got a van full of like 100 parcels or something. They all need to get delivered, all time deliveries and stuff, and he's on his way in as well. So we're juggling jobs all over the place here at the moment. At the same time, while we've got this repair shield going on, we've got Rick here taking pictures for an instruction manual to write. So if you guys are buying this repair shield from your van on our website, we'll have some good pictured instructions step by step of how you're going to fit that shield yourself. So it's all happening, it's all go. We've got a customer that's got the new style, it's like the Vauxhall Vivaro, the Toyota Pro Ace. Also got lots of stuff going on in the workshop. Hey Matt, give us a second here while we just show what we're doing. This is the new style model van. It's the this is a Toyota Pro Ace. It's also a Vauxhall Vivaro. It's a Peugeot Expert, and it is a Citroen Dispatch van. So lots of current models of this van. We've had a customer get in touch with us. He's been broken into twice, would you believe? So first one I think was here. They popped it open, and then a couple of weeks later they broke in here and popped it open. So this van, big hassle for the owner, and we was trying to sort of offer him a solution of what we can do to cover the damage. So we did have an armour plate, we do have armour plates in stock, but they only cover sort of so far down to here, and he's got a bend here which is right near to a swage line, so that's going to make it difficult for fitting like a universal repair plate, which is what we sometimes offer, just like a square, universal or rectangle, and the customer can bolt it over a hole if he's got a hole in the bodywork. Just a really funny shape around here and all the handle, but actually the bodywork, there's so many bends and folds and shape to this van that it's actually a very difficult shape to get. So what we've done is, I did have one of these doors, and I did have it in mind that I would actually develop a security shield for this van, but it's just so many different things to do. But for that customer, we brought it up the priority list. We've tested, measured, taken all the data from it. Watch this, it's just so clever. It's so awesome the way this machine cuts these parts out. We've been through, we've put in the time, we've put in the effort, we've gone version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then I think eventually version number 8 or possibly even number 9 is what we've got on. So we got the shape, we've got it made up, we've got it ready, and now we've done a really nice stainless steel, brushed stainless steel finish, and it's studded up. We've made the jig for all the studs, and we've got that shield here ready to go, and we're going to fit that onto this van now, so repair up that damage and just stop the same thing happening again. We've got Charlotte in here in the office. What's happening, Charlotte?
Oh my gosh, hi. I'm just, busy.
Lots of inquiries?
Yeah, it's good. I'm dealing with someone in Germany at the moment. And then our customers come down from Birmingham outside, and we've got someone coming over from France next week as well. It's like quite crazy.
Cool.
And we've got someone coming from Glasgow on Tuesday.
Sounds good. Have you got a helper in the office here? There's no helper over there at the moment, is there?
There's one asleep under the desk.
Oh, look. Introduce it. Who's your dog?
Princess Bo.
It's Princess Bo.
Hey.
Hi, Bo. Right, back to the workshop.
Absolutely.
Okay, so our emergency job has arrived now. Key snapped off. The guys are all tied up at the minute with their job, so I'm going to have a quick look here and see if I can jump in and get this going. I mean, the parcels being on board is a nightmare. getting the van open is obviously the biggest problem. Once you've got the van open, we need to either put new slam locks in it, or actually the customer said he doesn't mind. He doesn't need the slam locks anymore. They're a requirement for the previous owner, so he just wants it back to like working with the handle again. He doesn't want the slam lock. So if we can get the door open, we can just put it back to the factory handle on this particular instance, I would think, as long as the central locking still works on the van. If we get really lucky, sometimes we can just put the broken half of the key back in the lock, and the other snap part is still in the lock. Yeah, how about that? That's handy. That's the biggest problem, getting in. Now we can get on, do the job, get it back to the factory handle. So imagine all these customers waiting for their parcels. What a blooming nightmare. So glad we could get this van open. Now let's get this guy sorted and get him away. I think we're in luck here. That's opening that. Obviously the guy needs to be able to lock his van now, because before it didn't matter if it was locked by the central locking, but let's see if the central locking does actually work. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's locked, that's going to work. So you can still lock the van as normal and then just unlock it, and oh, it's 2 presses, wasn't it?
Yeah, 2 presses.
So that's good. That's the back door back to normal. So that's on our emergency courier sorted out now. He's back up and running, going to get all them parcels delivered and do all his collections. This one's nearly done, just coming together now. Looking nice on that door. So Danny's just finishing that off. Now how's this job going here, Matt?
I live in the dream, flying through it.
What have we got here?
Okay, so this is the barn door internal and external shield.
Our new barn door internal and external shield. The one you can see on the outside and the one on the inside, very important. So the inside is like double layered up actually. So it's time you've got like the outside and the inside, the most vulnerable area is like triple layered with stainless steel. Yeah. So that barn door internal shield looks like this. So newly developed and designed internal shield. So it's double layered up in the most vulnerable part. And it's also got this tab here, just to guard against the cabling near where the cable, near where the handle is. Just an extra guard and shaped internal section here on it as well. So nice piece of kit. We're also fitting internal and external side load door shielding. So this is our Euro 6.2 internal shield for the side load door, and that will cover over the latch mechanism, which is behind here. The latch which holds the door in the closed position, there is a vulnerability, and our latch covers over that vulnerability. We're also going to be fitting our external shield in this area as well. This is our Sussex Installations external shield. Still got the laser film on it, so that will be removed, and it's a nice brushed stainless steel look to that from the external. We've doing our platinum package, so that is going to have our PIR in the load area. So if anyone was to even cut a hole in the roof of this van or peel the door down from the side, get in anyway, then that will detect their movement. Has the side load door switch. So if someone was to start pulling the top of the side load door open, it gives like an early warning for the alarm, because the factory switch is down the bottom here and may not detect that type of break-in. So we're putting that switch up the top of that door. Also, we'll be fitting our hook lock. So Matt's already been doing the cutouts for this. What we do is quite unique the way we fit our deadlocks. I started the idea many years ago, and I just thought that I don't like the idea of, typically people put the deadlock in the hole, they screw it in place, then they open up the screw holes to the rivets and rivet in place, but they leave all the cut metal like jagged behind there where they've been drilling these holes, and it all just sort of gets trapped between the lock case and the bodywork, or in this case the keep and the bodywork. So what we do is we get them temporarily fitted with the screws in the first place, make sure everything lines up, then we drill it out for the rivet holes here, and you see nice straight saw holes, and then we give it a good blow down with the air line and just blow away blow away all those any rust debris that are there. So there's the cutout for the lock case. Same thing on the barn door, and it will still be our hook style deadlocks that are going to go into this van. I'll show you once we're done, but it's the lock on this door hooks, and it hooks into the bracket which will be fitting onto this door once we've finished. So also in this van we'll be fitting our peel and steel bracket, which will go up the top of the side load door. So it fixes to the side load door up the top here, and it will go, so once the door closes it locks in behind a bracket which will stick up the top here again. So if anyone is pulling on the side load door trying to do like a peel and steel type of attack, it's making that door more secure, more rigid to that. And then of course we've changed the driver's door barrel, which is, you know, something that was happening from Fords from many years ago, was the either grabbing the driver's door with the grips on the outside, or just forcing the lock from the inside like with a screwdriver. So that's our replacement lock, which has the slip ring on the outside, and it has our high security dimple key, and it will be key to light to the deadlock. So we'll be using the same key for that driver's door barrel as what we'll be using for the deadlocks. So here we are, it's done. Look at that beauty. It was a van with holes, looking manky. Look at it now. It's a work of art, if I do say so myself. Following the contours of the van, nice brushed stainless steel finish. Of course, carries our logo, always good. So if we've got to have lumps of metal on our van, we don't want it just to be like a patchwork quilt of your van. You know, want to design jewellery for your van. That's what I'm looking to design. Something that looks nice, that looks the part, but is also effective and actually, you know, covers up the holes that people are making. We've got Rick here taking some pictures for the website. Go on to our gallery and onto the YouTube and Instagram channel. Hope you've enjoyed this video, found it interesting. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Sussex Installations. Thanks for watching.